Hey there, foodies! James here, and I am about to sprinkle a dash of excitement into your kitchen. Today, on Bloggin Good Food, we are not just diving into the world of egg casseroles, we are turning it upside down and shaking it up. Gooey cheese, sizzling spices, and a culinary adventure that will make your taste buds dance. Intrigued? Let's roll the tape. Classic comfort. Alright, first up, classic comfort. Close your eyes and imagine that first cup warm, cheesy, and utterly satisfying. Comfort food at its finest, right? But hold on to your spatulas. We are just getting started. International Fusion. Next up, we are taking your taste buds on a journey around the globe with our International Fusion. From the fiery spices of Mexico to the aromatic herbs of Italy. These egg casseroles are like little passports to flavor, ready to rack up those frequent flavor miles. Breakfast for dinner. Now, who says breakfast is just for the AM? Q. The breakfast for dinner. Imagine the sizzle of bacon, the hearty eggs, and maybe even a hint of maple syrup. Dinner anyone. But of course, we have got more surprises up our sleeves. Veggie Delight. Let's take the detour to the green side with our Veggie Delight casserole. It's a feast for the eyes and a celebration of colors and freshness. Your taste buds are in for a treat. Trust me. Hungry for more? Stick around. There is a grand finale waiting. And there you have it. Culinary adventures. We have taken a trip through different and tasty egg casserole ideas. Which one are you adding to your menu first? Share your culinary plans in the comments below. And hey, if you have not already hit that subscribe button because we have got more delicious surprises coming your way. Until next time, happy cooking!